We are making the 30 milliliter 8% strength solution, and yes, 8% is a lot, but more is better with RU. Besides, are you kidding me? With the cheap prices they have at MV Supplements, RU has become affordable. Right now, you can get 15 grams for €100. That's about half the price of other sellers in Europe. And MV Supplements' latest 10-kilogram batch of RU was lab tested in November at 96% purity. Today, our mixture is a 70% ethanol and 30% propylene glycol mixture. RU from MV Supplements dissolves better in pure ethanol. So 70% of 30 milliliter is 21 milliliter. So weigh out 21 milliliter of ethanol into your container and dump your 2.4 grams of RU inside. And stir until clear. There are a lot of myths about RU that you may read on Reddit, like what the best dosage is to use. Some people may say, use 2 milliliter of liquid, it gives me the best results. But the truth is RU results are completely individual, and if 2 milliliter works for him, you may need 4 milliliter to halt your shedding. Now, take your 21 milliliter ethanol with the RU already mixed in, and pour it into your container. With 9 milliliter propylene glycol, mix it around for a moment and use a funnel to pour it into your dropper bottle or spray bottle. As stated earlier, everyone's RU required dosage is different. If you're not sure what dosage of RU to use, just remember that there is 80 milligrams of RU in each milliliter of MV Supplements RU solution, and our new advanced 100 milliliter long-nose easy-to-use spray bottle contains only 0.13 milliliter in each spray. That is equivalent to 10 milligrams of RU. So feel free to use 5 to 10 sprays daily to easily cover your entire scalp. There is 785 sprays in each 100 milliliter bottle of MV Supplements RU. So if you buy MV Supplements 100 milliliter bottle, you can use a generous dose of 5 sprays to completely protect your scalp from hair loss every day for over 5 months. And if you buy MV Supplements 15 grams RU powder, you can make your own 8% solution and protect yourself for over 10 months. MV Supplements is Europe's #1 supplier of RU because of our cheap prices, lightning-fast shipping, and amazing product quality. Check our Trustpilot reviews, search what people say about us on Reddit, and try our product. The results will speak for themselves. We look forward to serving you, and have a lovely day.